Australia migration visas help skilled migrants to make their mark in the Australian labour market, and the points-tested stream offers skilled visas, such as the Skilled Independent Visa and the Skilled Work Regional Visa Subclass 491. The purpose of these visas is to draw in qualified individuals to fill certain jobs that are in great demand throughout Australia. In this video, we will highlight the crucial steps and requirements of Australia skilled migration visas in 2024. The points-tested stream. Your skills are taken into account in the points-tested stream, where each point you receive counts toward reaching the minimum of 65 needed to be eligible for certain types of visas, including the Subclass 189 Skilled Independent Visa. Think of it as a situation where the goal is to use your education, work experience, and language abilities to win permanent residency in Australia. There are several ways to earn points, and you'll score better. For instance, if you have good English proficiency, or if you have extensive work experience in a particular job on Australia's skilled occupation list. Try out an online Australian General Skilled Migration Points test to discover how well you could perform before beginning the visa application process. Skilled Independent Visa Subclass 189. Now that we've moved past the general points-tested stream, let's examine the Subclass 189 of the Skilled Independent Visa, as this could be a lifesaver for workers who have the skills Australia needs. An employer is not required to sponsor you, and you can live and work anywhere in Australia if you are granted this visa, as your spouse and children are welcome to accompany you. Prior to applying for one of these visas, confirm that your position is listed as a skilled vocation in Australia. Next, put your points to the test, since they are dependent on factors such as age, employment history, and language proficiency. Aim for high points because this particular visa category opens doors to many of the same privileges as Australian citizens, and you'll need to receive at least 65 points to be considered. Skilled Work Regional Visa Subclass 491. The Skilled Work Regional Visa is a Subclass 491 visa that allows skilled migrants to work in areas of Australia where there is a skilled labor shortage. You and your family are allowed to live and study in specific regional areas for a period of 5 years with this visa. It's a great chance to live a good lifestyle away from big cities and have great career opportunities. To get this visa, you have to be invited by a state or territory in Australia, and you will also need to provide proof that you are able to make a sufficient living and that your job skills align with the requirements. Eligibility criteria for skilled migration visas. Applicants must fulfill fundamental eligibility conditions, including age, skill assessments, English language competency, and character and health standards, in order to be eligible for skilled visas in Australia. These are crucial elements that establish a person's eligibility to submit an application for skilled migration to Australia. 1. Age requirement. In Australia, obtaining a skilled visa requires you to be between the ages of 18 and 45. This regulation serves to ensure that those who show up for work are likely to provide many years of labor and expertise. Age won't, however, be a barrier if you're applying for a temporary skill shortage visa, but keep in mind that your age is crucial when considering a permanent move in the future. 2. Skills assessment. Your abilities and knowledge are evaluated to see if you are qualified for your position in Australia, since without it, you cannot apply for skilled migration visas. To ensure that your English proficiency satisfies Australian criteria, assessment authorities will review your job history, education, and English language proficiency. Your skills must match what Australia needs, and think of the assessment as a way to show off your skills. 3. English language proficiency. Speaking fluent English is a requirement for skilled visas in Australia, and you must demonstrate that you can read, write, listen, and speak the English language. This entails taking an assessment such as the IELTS and even receiving a score of 0 on the visa points test for proficient English does not imply that it is not significant. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck!